Uploading your videos is just the beginning. If you are missing these 4 steps after publishing your videos, then you are holding down views, watch time, and subscribers on the table. You want your videos to be recommended, then don't miss these 4 steps that I will be showing you. If I were you, I would stay glued to the very last, because the 4th one is the most crucial thing you should do after publishing your video. Hey my loves, it's Emeso here again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click on the bell notification so you can get notified when next we drop a new video. Give the video a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and let's go on. Today, I'm going to be revealing the most important 4 things you need to do after uploading your videos to make sure the algorithm picks your videos. After uploading your video, the first thing you need to do is to drive straight to your comment section and pin a comment that drives engagement. Comments like, "I hope this video was educative enough," or "Have you tried any of this strategy before?" Do you get me? You can pin up comments like this from you. Or when you see a comment that asks a question, maybe from any of your subscribers or your viewers, what you should do is to pin that comment at the top so everyone can see it, and it can also drive engagement to that video. That way you have successfully driven engagement to that video, and that is what the algorithm loves. The second thing that you should do after uploading your video is share your video links to your community. Your community is one way that can help your videos get recommended by YouTube. All right. After uploading your video, you should straight away share your link to your community. You can also share it on other platforms like Quora, Reddit, and its likes, okay? And you sharing it is not just enough. Put a quote there, giving them enough reason why they should click on that video. Do you get? You have to make them see the importance of that video for them to click on. All right? Now, the third important thing that you should do after uploading your video, please, I want you to be very, very attentive, because this number 3 is very, very important, but number 4 is the most important thing you should do. It's important to always check your analytics. Let your studio be your friend. Let your analytics be your friend, okay? After uploading your videos, you should check your CTR, your average view duration, and your impression click-through rate. These things are things that you should check after uploading your video to know how far your video is doing. You can even check this after 24 hours of uploading your video, after 10 hours of uploading your video. You should check it and know how far your video is doing. If your video is not doing properly well, or YouTube is not recommending your videos, then you should check why your videos is not being recommended. If it is your title or your thumbnail, come on, there's a room for that. Change your title. Or if it is your thumbnail, you can recreate a new one. I have done that severally. So that is one thing you should constantly do, okay? Check your analytics to see if your video is doing well. There are places where you will see dip. You check it. That dip is to tell you where people are clicking off. Now, what you should do is to take note of those kind of places. So when you're filming your video the next time, you should learn how to manage that place so that people can view your videos very well and YouTube can recommend your video. There is something you should know. When your video is getting much engagement, okay? When your video is getting much engagement, getting the view, YouTube tends to recommend your video to more audience, to larger audience, all right? That is when you can see people viewing your videos all around the world, because YouTube is recommending your video to different people because of your video is attracting much engagement. The fourth thing you should do after uploading your video is, I think I am also very guilty of this. Whenever I come up here to teach about YouTube growth, I am also teaching myself, because there are some things that I am not also doing that after I have uploaded this video, I will watch it and start trying to implement these things on my channel. This very one, I am guilty about it. Responding to comments quickly is one thing that can still help your videos get recommended by YouTube. All right. After uploading your videos and you start getting comments, it is advisable to start responding to your comments. Immediately you start seeing it, to drive engagement. And there are some people that don't watch your videos unless they go through your comment section. And when they say that you're not responding to your comments, they will feel they cannot belong there, because they need a community where they can belong to, where their questions can be attended to, where they can ask questions and get response from. I have seen a lot of people that immediately they clicked on a video, the first thing they do is to go to the comment section to see the kind of comments that are dropped there and to see if they get response on the comment section. So that is one way you can also drive engagement on your videos. And when you are having enough engagement on your videos, you are responding to people's comments on your videos, more people may likely want to also watch and comment, ask questions, or just leave a nice comment, making the YouTube algorithm know that people are actually enjoying your video. They are actually learning from your video. And once the algorithm picks that, they push your videos out to more viewers. All right. Doing this consistently will times 10 the chance of your channel getting more views, recommendation, and growing on the space of YouTube. Which one are you going to try today? Let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on your bell notification, and leave a comment in the comment section. Like this video and share this video, and we'll see you again.